In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Alibaba in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to start a new business venture on this global trade platform, I'm here to guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's navigate to the Alibaba website. Get comfortable at your computer or mobile device and open your favorite web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.alibaba.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the homepage where we will perform all necessary actions today. Once the homepage loads, locate the Create Account button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page, and it might be marked by a simple person icon or labeled as Join Free. Clicking on this will bring you to the Account Creation section. Here, you have a few different options for how to proceed, which is great because it offers flexibility based on your preferences. You can choose to sign up using your email address, which is a very traditional and secure way of creating accounts online. If you go this route, make sure to choose a password that is strong and unique. It should be something memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. Alternatively, you have the convenience of logging in via existing social networks such as Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Social logins offer quick access since they use your pre-existing account credentials with these platforms, thus sparing you from having to remember yet another password. Simply click on the desired social network icon and follow the prompts to authorize access to your new Alibaba account. That's it. With those steps completed, you now have access to all of Alibaba's resources and features. You can browse their vast selection of goods, start discussions with suppliers, or even manage your purchases and account settings, all from your new account dashboard. As you delve into the site, tailor your experience by updating your profile with any relevant business details. This ensures sellers and suppliers understand your needs and helps in establishing trusted relationships moving forward. If you encounter any hitches along the way or need additional help, Alibaba's customer support is readily available. They offer a variety of contact methods and are dedicated to assisting users with issues or inquiries. Congratulations on taking this step into the global marketplace. With your Alibaba account set up, the doors to countless business opportunities are now open. Happy trading, and may your ventures be successful on this dynamic platform. Stay tuned for more guides and tips to enhance your online business expertise.